Good day everyone, I am Ati Dan, and for today's video we will tackling about cryptography, a technique to protect information. Let's begin. The word cryptography is derived from the Greek cryptos, meaning hidden. The prefix crypt means hidden or vault, and the suffix graphy stand for writing. It is a process of hiding or coding information so that only person a message was intended for can read it. It is a science of encrypting and decrypting written communication. Para po mas lalo nating mas maintindihan ang cryptography, it is creating a secret codes, okay? So it is the process create the plain text, use encryption to cipher the text, and kapag na-receive na siya, doon papasok ang description, and tinatranslate niya po ito into the plain text. Ganun lang po ang concept ng cryptography. Now, let's compare the encryption to description. So, when we say encryption, is a process of protecting information or data by using mathematical method to scramble it into such a way that the only parties who have the key to unscramble it can access it. Meaning po, it is a process po of transforming plain text into code using certain algorithm po. While description po is the conversions of encrypted data into its original form, it is generally a reverse process of encryptions. Meaning po, ito po yung opposite na process po of encryption wherein binabalik niya po sa original form yung encrypted na text to the plain text po. Alright po? Now, let's talk about the simple method to use cryptography. We have shift cipher and model operator, but we will going to focus first about the shift cipher. Shift cipher involves replacing each letter in the message by the letter that is some fixed number or position farther along in the alphabet. Shift cipher is the simplest method po to use cryptography, and we have example here. Encrypt the word apple using shift 3 to the right, and encrypt the word Nemo using shift 5 to the right. Since I don't have any other cellular devices, we were going to have another video wherein ipapakita ko po kung ano ang example po ng dalawang example po dito sa shift cipher. But still, kung naguguluhan, don't worry po, iisa-isahin po natin to. Example for shift cipher, the apple. The first example is the apple. So how we're going to do this is to spot first what is the key. The key is using shift 3 to the right, meaning to the right. That means we have to spot first A. A is right here. 3 to the right is 1, 2, 3, and we get the letter D. The opposite A, the encrypted or the cipher text for A is D. Same goes with the P. You have to shift 3 to the right. So P is right here, and we were going to count 3 to the right so that we were going to get the cipher text or the encrypted text. P is 1, 2, 3. We got S. The encrypted word for P is S. They are the same letter, so they have the same encrypted text. Letter L is right here, and we have to count 3 to the right, meaning 1, 2, and 3, we got O. The opposite of L, or the encrypted text for L, is O. Letter E is right here, and we're going to shift 3 to the right, meaning 1, 2, and 3, we got H. Now, this is the encrypted encrypted word, encrypt text, or decipher text for the word apple. Now, how are we going to decrypt this apple, this ciphertext? So we're going to copy this one, and after that, instead of using shift 3 to the right, we were going to use to the left to bring the original text of this encrypted text. So D, we have D right here. We were going to shift 3 to the left, meaning D. From D, we count 1, 2, 3. We got A. For S, we have S right here. We have S right here. We're going to count from 1, 2, 3. We got P. We got P right here. They are the same letter, so we have to put the same letter, P. For O, there is an O right here, and we are going to count 1, 2, 3. We got L. For H right here, we're going to count 1, 2, and 3. We get E. That's our encrypted text. That's the concept of shift cipher. Shift cipher. Encrypt the word Nemo using shift 5 to the right. So, Nemo. We have to write it first, Nemo. And our key is using shift 5 to the right. Meaning, the encrypted word in N, you have to spot it first in our alphabet. N is right here. And we have to count 5 times to the right to get the encrypted text or encrypted letter of N. So N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got S. For E, E is right here, and we have to count 5 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We got J. M is right here, and we were going to count 5 to the right to get the encrypted letter. M is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got R. O is right here, and we were going to count 5 times to get the encrypted letter of O. O is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get T. We get T. And now, this is our encrypt text or the ciphertext. Okay? Ciphertext. Now, how are we going to bring it back to our descripted text? Okay, descript text. So again, we're going to write the encrypted text, and instead of using shift 5 to the right, we were going to using shift 5 to the left to bring back the original text or the plain text of the word Nemo. So S is right here, and we were going to shift 5 to the left, not to the right. Okay? So S is right here. We were going to count 5 times to the left. So S, we're going to start right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got N. J is right here. And we're going to count 5 times again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got E. We got E. Sorry. R is right here. And we were going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got M. Disregard the circles because we don't have eraser. T is right here, and we were going to count 5 times again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get O. That is now, we are back to our original text or our plain text. That is the concept of shift cipher. I hope you learned something. Now let's talk about the modulo operator. Modulo operator express letter in the alphabet from 0 to 25. To calculate y is equal to c plus k modulo 26, calculate the number y into the letter following the order of the letter in the alphabet. We have here the example. Encrypt the message blue moon and let the key is equal to 4. I know it is complicated when you first read it, but we were going to delve deeper about it para mas maintindihan niyo po. So we have here the example of modulo operator. The encrypt the message blue moon, let the key is equal to 4. Since we have a formula for this modulo operator, the y, it means this letter from the alphabet from A to Z, while C is the corresponding number of this letter. As you can see, A is represent as 0 to 25. Why it's not 26? Because we start to 0. Okay? So, C is represent as a corresponding number of Y. Y is the letters of the alphabet. K is we represent it as the key. We have 4. The modulo 26, we got 26 because there's a 26 letter in the alphabet. Okay? Did you get the point about this formula? This is formula. So, hindi siya para mas maintindihan po. Okay? So, how we were going to do this? So, we have first write it down. You have to put spaces para hindi po siya magulo. Okay? Blue moon. We have blue moon. Okay, blue moon. Now, the first thing we have to do is to know what is the corresponding number of each letter. Okay? Just like this one. B. So we have to look at this alphabet. B is right here. Okay? The corresponding letter of B is 1. Okay? 0, 1, 2 to 25. So B is 1. So we have 1 right here. Okay? 1. Same goes with the other. We have L. L is right here, and the corresponding number of L is 11. We have 11, okay? The U. U is right here. Okay? U is right here, and the corresponding number of U is 20. As you can see, E is corresponding number is 4. So we're done with the blue. Now let's go to the moon. M, the corresponding letter of M is 12. O is 14. As you can see, we have 14. Another one 14 because they are same letter. N is 13. As you can see, 13. So we have 13 right here. Now, we already know the corresponding number of each letter. Okay? Now, what are we going to do next is plus or add the key. The key is equal to 4, meaning this corresponding letter of this letter is we have to add it to our key, which is 4. So 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Just like this one. We are going to add this numbers to our key, which is 4. Did you get the point? Okay. Now we already add this one. We were going to have a, okay. So 1 plus 4 is 5. We got 5. 11 plus 4, what we got? 15. Tama ba? 15? Okay. Tama. 15. 20 plus 4 is 24. 4 plus 4, we got 8. 12 plus 4, we got 12. 13, 14, 15, 16. We got 16. 14 plus 4, we got 18. 14 plus 4, we got 18 also. 13 plus 4, we got 17. Now, we already added to our key. We were going to know what is the corresponding letter of this number. Okay? So we got first our 5. The 5 in our alphabet, we have to count it 1, 0. We have to count 5. So 5. So 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got F. So the corresponding letter of 5 is F. Next one, 15. We got to have spot the 15. So 15 right here is P. Corresponding letter. Okay? I hope nakakasunod pa. Okay? 24, right here. 24 is Y. So we got Y. 8 is I. As you can see, we got I. 16, we got Q. We have Q right here. 18, we got S. As you can see, it's S, by the way. It's S. S, they're same. So, number 17 is R. So, we got R. Now, this is our encrypt text. Okay, encrypted text. Okay, encrypted text of the word blue moon. The F, P, Y, I, and Q, S, S, R. Okay? Now, how are we going to bring back the original text of our encrypted text? Okay? So, we have to write it down. F, P, Y, I, Q, S, S, R. Now, how are we going to do if you are asking? Now, the twist of that is instead of by the way, we have to spot first what is the corresponding number of each letter. Since we already did it for our encrypted word, we have to copy it na lang, okay? Like this one, 5 is corresponding to F, that's why F is corresponding to 5. They are all the same. Nauna lang yung number kasi sa letter. So we have to copy this one. 15, 24, 8, Q is for 16, Q is for 16. 18 is for S, 18, 6, S for is 18. 18 for SS, 18, 17 is for R, that's R. Just like that one. So we already have our corresponding numbers of the letter. Now, instead of adding this number to our key, which is 4, we're going to subtract it to 4 to bring back our plain text or original text. Did you get the point? If we add this one, we were going to minus this one. So since we already minus this one, we have to subtract it, of course. So 5 minus 1 is 4 is 1. 15 minus 4 is 11. 24 minus 4 is 20. 8 minus 4 is 4. 16 minus 4 is 12. 18 minus 4 is 0. It's 4. Ay, hindi. 14. Sorry. 14. It's 14. S is for 14. And it's not. It's 13, by the way. Sorry. Typo. 13 minus 4 is... Tama. Ay, no. It's 17. So, 17 minus 4 is 13. Now, we already have our computed number when we subtract the corresponding number of this letter to our key. Now, we were going to find this number in our alphabet. Okay? Did you get the points? So, 1. As you all know, 1 is equal to 1B. You have B. 11 is equal to L. L is right here. 11. 20 is right here. U. 4 is corresponding to E. As you can see, it's E. 12 is corresponding to M. 14 is corresponding to O. Same. Sorry. Since they are same number, so they're same letter. 13 is equal to N. Now we are back to our original text. Or our plain text. That is the concept of the modulo operator. I hope you get it. Kahit na naka-camera lang tayo and we uses video, not the digital I'm so sorry for that, but I hope you understand my discussion. Okay? And that's the end of our discussion about cryptography. I hope you learned something about that topic. Thank you.